Blessed people, hope your day is going great so far. Yeah, topics we want to get into for today is Shenseea confirmed that she actually met in a car accident. Footah Hype come out and talk about it, but you don't know, people love say Footah Hype chat too much and them thing, they are not no go so. But Shenseea confirm it. Other topic, Ching buy a bus and improve himself, and you don't know, put that on the road. So people, before I get into all of these topics, want to know the one thing for me. Just subscribe, hit that notification bell. And without further ado, people, we get straight into the topic. You see me? So Shenseea, she reach a St. Vincent and she just want to share all of the complications which she go through just to get there. You see me? She shell down and show you, but people would have never know. So Shenseea for make the people them know what go on. So she made a post. I went through a lot of complications for this trip. I felt like everything was going wrong. Met in a car crash the night before, left my makeup, left my ear supplies, landed 3 hours before my first call time for the show. It was a holiday, so bear in mind I couldn't even buy them back in time. And don't let me even get into how much fuckery I had to go through to get back home. But nevertheless, I still showed out for my Ching instead of bailing on them and allowing the rumors to be true that were being spread about me not performing. Crazy or not, I'll always show out for y'all because y'all showed out for me. Big up my real Shenseeans in St. Vincent. I had no time to even take pics as I had to rush straight to the airport for my first flight. I'll make it up to you guys next time. You see me, people? So Shenseea gonna update as to what really are going on behind the scenes. Even though she smile and enjoy herself and get so much forward on the stage, a whole heap of little things are going on behind the scene where she just reveal. Yeah, people. So big up Ching for going look out for her fans them, said we, even despite the odds them, and she still beat the odds them. So here's a little clipping on the performance in a St. Vincent. Yeah, next topic we want to talk about Ching buy him new bus and get a bus in a life.
Yeah, remember when we are youth? Remember when we are youth, we used to have to wait for them bus to get to my destination. Remember when I got pass and wait on them place, them time there, at 9-10 o'clock bus stop road. So we have to do the bus stop from all 9 o'clock at them time there. To catch them bus up, you can get to the destination, you get me? And now, the tables have turning tables. Right now, we own a bus on the route now. You get me, I say? So, we have a bus on the route now. I get people to fit them destination. That is the accomplishment. You get me, I say? Some of us want to share this with you this morning. You get me, I say? And everything we want to do, you get me, I say? Just be wise. You get me, I say? So the bus needs saving pan. And it out right now because we're on a saving plan. I mean, a safety change. You get me, I say? They're done with that. So, they don't know. Come here to where we come from. We got the whole Stony, Golden Sing, Lawrence Tab and Unity, Temple and the whole place. You get me, I say? They have a bus on the route. Same place where we come from. So, you don't know. That is an accomplishment. From nothing to something. Bless up everybody out there who helped me to achieve this.
Yeah, people, so there you have it. And we have to big up Ching on that one here, you see me? He might move smart, he might make smart moves. And the bus name saving plan. So look out for it, people, on the Golden Spring Road or Stony Hill Road. You see me, people? Yeah, that's it for today. You don't know any people are just facts. I'm out.